A brownie? Delicious. Alright, so what are the ingredients?
Egg, flour, sugar, salt, chocolate powder,
And how about the utensils?
mix,
And the baking tray? Alright. Easy. What are you doing?
I'm greasing the baking tray.
Good. Jaja, how many eggs do we need to do the brownie?
How do you need?
We
Eight.
need?
8 eggs.
Okay, we need 8 eggs. Nuzu, what are you doing?
I'm cracking the eggs.
And what are you doing?
Me crack the eggs.
I'm
Crack the eggs.
Alright. Woohoo! Good job! What are you doing?
I'm cracking the eggs.
Good job! Elle, what are you doing?
Crack the eggs.
Ooh, very good! Okay, Alice, what's the next step?
Let's mix all the eggs.
Good.
Cups and
Of sugar, very good.
2 cups of chocolate powder.
Good. Okay, let's add the melted butter. Yes. Pay attention. Good job, boy. Yeah, you got it. Nice. Yeah.
Add 2 cups of flour.
Yummy.
Deixa eu comer.